Sikorsky has just wrapped up flight testing and delivered the very first UH-60MX Black Hawk to the U.S. Army, and it's now at Fort Eustis in Virginia. This is where things really start to get interesting, because the Army is about to push this helicopter hard to see what it can truly handle on its own. This project has actually been in development for close to a decade. Sikorsky teamed up with DARPA under the ALIAS program to create a system that adds advanced autonomous capabilities to existing helicopters. The UH-60MX is the result of that effort, built on the familiar UH-60A airframe that's already widely used. By 2025, they swapped out the old mechanical controls for a modern fly-by-wire system, which basically allows the autonomy tech to take over when needed. At the center of it all is something called Matrix, which acts like the helicopter's brain. It constantly scans the environment using onboard sensors, processes the data in real time, and handles things like planning flight paths, choosing landing zones, and avoiding obstacles. For pilots, this means a huge drop in workload, since a lot of the routine flying is handled automatically. What's even more impressive is that ground operators can control the aircraft from a tablet, and even soldiers with no flight experience have been able to learn basic mission control in about an hour. This system isn't brand new either. It's already been tested on multiple Black Hawk variants, including the UH-60A, L, and M models, racking up hundreds of flight hours. One of the most impressive demonstrations happened back in 2022, when the helicopter handled everything on its own, from pre-flight checks to takeoff, completing a full mission route and landing safely, all while dealing with simulated equipment failures. Now that it's in Army hands, the focus shifts to real-world testing. They'll be putting it through tough environments to see how it performs under pressure, how smoothly it can switch between human and autonomous control, and how well remote operators can manage it from the ground. All of this ties into a bigger goal of creating a standardized autonomy kit that could eventually be used across the entire Black Hawk fleet and even future aircraft. The bigger picture here is pretty clear. Helicopters like this could take on missions in areas that are too dangerous or too remote for human crews. They could operate in low visibility or contested environments without putting soldiers at risk. And because the system is designed with an open architecture, it can keep evolving over time, with new sensors and software added, without having to rebuild everything from scratch.